Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and this video is about making money, making a lot of money, making it from home, making it online. I'm talking about making $150 a day or more, and this is a realistic way to make $150 a day or more right from home. There is no cost. Anybody can do this. There's no skills are needed. This is literally copy and paste, drag and drop easy. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. And even if you're a newbie, you're going to be able to follow along. Just follow this video series. We're going to take it step by step. We're going to be using free websites. We're going to be using free tools. These tools are going to be essentially doing all the work. So all you need to be able to do is copy and paste and click. So if you can copy and paste and click, stick with me. And I also invite you to stick with me for your bonus, which is a traffic bundle. I'm excited to let you know that I'm going to be sharing a marketing strategy that I've never revealed before. The method that we're going to be using is called siphoning. Our siphoning is going to be white hat, and it's going to be extremely beneficial. And the reason is that in our case, it's going to help us to create super magnetic pages. Pages that are super sticky, pages that when visitors land on our pages, they're not going to want to leave. Super sticky pages are going to help us to grow a list faster than ever, easier than ever, as well as making more sales faster and easier than ever. Allow me to give you an overview of what you can expect in this training series. In this particular video, in video number 1, we're going to be finding our product. A lot of people, how do I find a product? What products should I use? Which are the best products? We're going to take care of that in this video. And in future videos, you're going to see why before you promote a product, you need to know how to do some preliminary research. And this is easy. And when I say easy, I mean easy. Actually, I'm going to be sharing a tool with you that's going to do all the work. It's a free tool. It's going to do all the work. It's going to do the research as well as the analysis. These first 2 steps alone are going to help to separate you from the rest of the crowd. I don't know why most other affiliate marketer training does not include these first 2 steps, but they are absolutely essential. So even if you don't find them elsewhere, you're going to find them here in this video training. And of course, you're going to see how you can use siphoning to create landing pages. We're going to be creating landing pages. You're going to see how to do that. So we're also going to get into building your list. We're going to get into funnels, sales funnels, email campaign. And again, this is all literally drag and drop easy. In fact, you're going to have 5 free emails to help you get started on your email campaign. And we're not done. Part of learning to make $150 a day online is going to include killer traffic strategies. And of course, those strategies are going to empower you to create a flood of traffic, and again, all for free. Stick with me for your bonus, which is also going to help you with getting even more traffic. What really makes this particular siphoning process so powerful, so special, so profitable is that you're going to easily be able to rinse and repeat. And that rinse and repeating is called duplication. And duplication means you're going to be able to do this over and over and over again. And when you're able to duplicate your efforts over and over again, that is the secret. That is actually a financial lever that is available thanks to the internet, and it is a financial lever, of course, that affiliate marketers use in order to make a lot of sales, in order to make a lot of money. We got a lot to cover, so let's begin. This is video number 1 on our journey to make $150 a day, and you're about to see how you can locate the hottest products on the planet and how you can do that almost instantly. Step 1, how do we find our product? In order to find our product, I've taken us to a site called CB Engine. That's cbengine.com. It's a free site. And what I've done is I've clicked on the left-hand column. I've clicked on CB Top Gravity on the left-hand column. And what we're seeing now is a list of the top 20 CB products. These are sorted or ranked by gravity. Now, CB stands for ClickBank. So these are ClickBank products. ClickBank is an affiliate network. CB is a network of affiliates or affiliate products that we can affiliate with. It's free to join. Just go to clickbank.com and you can join for free. Gravity is an indicator of a product's popularity specifically in the last 90 days actually, or technically in the last 12 weeks. So when we see high gravity, what that's telling us is that this product is selling, it's selling well, and it's selling right now. Actually a gravity of 30 or better is good. A gravity of 100 is absolutely excellent, and a gravity of 1,000 is unbelievable. At the time of this video, Exipure, a product called Exipure, is at the top of our list. And Exipure is a weight loss product. It has a gravity, at the moment it has a gravity of over 1,000, and what that simply means is that this product is selling like crazy. You may have heard, you may have read that selling the highest gravity products on ClickBank is a bad idea. There's too much competition. Don't go there. Don't do that. That is wrong. You'll see it. You're going to see how we're going to navigate around that competition. That's not going to be a problem. So when you see high gravity and you know how to navigate around it, which you will by the end of this video, then what gravity really is a silent indicator that is telling us that this product is selling. It's an indicator that is helping us to get close to those buyers. The closer that we get to the buyers, the closer we get to the money. Believe me, closer to the money is where you want to be. In this video, we're going to be using Exipure as our example. However, what you are about to see is going to work in any niche. It's going to work for any product, so stick with me. Simply customize this to fit your particular niche, to fit your particular product. So next, I've taken us to ClickBank. And again, if you're not a member, join ClickBank. Once you log in, click on Marketplace, type Exipure in the search box, and this is what you're going to see. As you can see, Exipure is paying an average of over $150 per sale, and you also have a potential income of recurring income of $41 each and every month. And when we visit the sales page, we can see that Epicure is a weight loss product. It's based on what's called brown fat, or BAT, that's brown adipose tissue. What they've discovered is that people that are obese have less BAT. And you can think of BAT, or brown fat, as a fat burner. It's actually more like a fat melter. And BAT is turned on or activated when we get cold. So when we get cold, it's going to activate, it's going to turn on, and what it's going to do is it's going to burn fat in order to generate heat. And this process of burning fat in order to generate heat is called thermogenesis, and thermogenesis is the process that is essential for fat burning. It's also going to boost the metabolic rate, and of course it's going to boost calorie burning. It means that our body is going to burn more fat even at rest, so it's considered to be an excellent shortcut to reducing excess body weight. BAT really does have some valuable benefits. BAT is going to help regulate appetite. It does that by balancing the production of leptin levels, so in other words, you don't get hungry. It makes weight loss and fat burning, of course, a lot easier. It controls the production of insulin and blood sugar, improves energy levels, and these are energy levels that are going to last all day long. And it allows your body to burn calories throughout the day by improving your metabolic rate. For all these reasons, people believe that brown fat is an excellent shortcut to reducing excess weight. According to Epicure, its supplement is going to turn on or activate that brown fat. Therefore, it's going to create weight loss. And of course, weight loss is what people want. In fact, this weight loss is without diet and exercise, which is what people want even more. In fact, this is what people love, and this is one of the reasons I believe that this particular product is literally flying off the shelves. I'll give you a little bit of reassurance about Exipure. Exipure comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. If it doesn't work, Exipure is going to give you your money back. In addition, Exipure is a CB product, a ClickBank product. That kind of helps us actually in two ways. Number one, CB takes care of the money. ClickBank takes care of the money. We know we're going to get paid. And when you make a sale, you want to get paid. When we're with ClickBank, we know that's going to happen. But even more importantly, ClickBank runs a rather tight ship. What that means is that if Exipure were a bad product, if it were a scam, if it didn't work, there'd already be a whole bunch of returns, a whole bunch of complaints, and so forth. Well, ClickBank would not tolerate that. Exipure would have been already shut down. So next thing, let's look at the affiliate page. And I like the fact that it's paying 75%. That's a fantastic commission. Once you make your first sale or two, apply for the 85%. I mean, that's huge. As you can see, Exipure is also going to provide us with email swipes. We're going to get 5 emails, so we're already off and running on our email campaign. There's also product images as well as web banners. So far, it's looking great, but is this a product that is going to actually make us money? We're going to get into that in the next video. We don't want to forget your bonus! And your bonus, again, is a traffic bonus. A bonus I know you're going to love and enjoy. Before we get to your bonus, I do want to give a quick shout out to Marlena Burton. Marlena, I sincerely thank you for your support. Marlena's channel, her channel is Full-Time Freedom Team Let's Travel. Marlena's channel is about helping you to create a full-time income from home. I invite you to visit her channel. You'll find a link in the description. If you like her videos, I'm sure you will. Be sure to subscribe, and I urge you to consider joining her team. It's not just the opportunity, it is the training, the mindset, and the support that makes Marlena special. And if you would like a shout out, for your website or channel, you're going to find a link below to a video that's going to give you the details. Back to your bonus. It is a traffic bundle, and of course traffic is the secret sauce that's going to help you to explode your sales. It's going to help you to explode your list. Your bonus includes training how to generate traffic online, how to get traffic from traffic exchanges, how to get traffic from social media such as Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram, how to siphon traffic, and also a guide to paid traffic. And your bonus includes an additional bonus that I'm sure you're going to enjoy as well. You'll find a link in the description, of course, to your traffic bonus. If you're interested in this kind of content, if you don't want to miss any of the videos in this training series, I invite you to join my channel and ring the bell. Smash that subscribe button, annihilate that bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know when I publish a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I will see you in the next video.